Snoring happens when air can't easily pass through our nose and throat during sleep. The surrounding tissues vibrate and makes snoring sound. This is not a big deal. This problem can be solved by some simple things. Causes and cures for snoring. Age factor. As we become older, our throat becomes narrower and the muscle tone decreases. You can't do anything with your growing age. The things you can do is to do some throat exercises. It will be very helpful to stop snoring at any age. Nasal problems. Some people have nasal problems which blocks the airways and makes inhalation difficult, and hence leads to snoring. This problem can be solved if clear your nasal passage daily before sleep and can use nasal sprays. You must keep your room dust-free. Alcohol, smoking and medication. Smoking, alcohol intake and medication can also cause snoring because these things increases muscle relaxation. Some people take sleeping medicines to get a good sleep and get relief from stress. These people are more likely to get snoring problems. Just stop taking these medicines. Sleeping posture. When you sleep straight on your back, it causes our throat to relax and block our airways, so sleeping on side posture would be helpful. In the starting it would be difficult for you to change the sleeping position, but after some time it will become a habit. Overweight. If you are overweight or have extra weight around your throat, it can also cause snoring. Overweight creates fatty tissues at the back of the throat. Just losing some weight can help you to decrease that fatty tissues and hence stop snoring. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.